So Jenna's cousin says that you can throw the entire front shoulder on a smoker or in a crock pot for a long cook, and the tendons and crap will get cooked in and rendered, and it'll taste really good. So my lazy self, after I killed, gutted, quartered, butchered yesterday, I was like, you know what? Let's find out. So, here's a calf. Some more, I think that's a slab of rib meat. Some more calf. Gonna throw some seasonings in there and whip it up in the Instant Pot for a couple hours, and I'll eat it for lunch and let you guys know how it is. Because if this is good, man, I might start doing this. I might just take huge roasts off the front shoulders and freeze them for meals like this, because I sure do hate butchering. Well, moment of truth time. It's shredded. Yeah. Honestly, it's probably what I'm going to do with a lot of the front shoulders now. It's just, I'm not going to do the whole thing at once because I never have that many people to eat it. But I'll, take 2-pound chunks off, clean as much as I can on the outside, throw it in the Instant Pot, and make shredded tacos because it saved a lot of time. A few more forkfuls in now. I aggressively put salt in, so don't do that. That was on me. Or I accidentally threw a dash too much in. But that's why there's lime juice. More than an hour and a half in a Instant Pot. Just had another fork, and there was a little bit of silver skin I could still. But 2 hours in an Instant Pot to save me 2 hours of sitting there getting mad. It's a win. Tune in next year to see if you can smoke deer ribs.